Okay, we are up to 13 families. That's pretty good. And it's 11:32. I'm going to get started. So let's get started. We had a fantastic cook-off yesterday. It was our first one, and I was really thrilled to see that we had 9 teams that actually competed. I got recipes and pictures from 8 of them, so we're going to take a look at them. We are going to have special awards, and then we're going to have the top second place, and then the top finalist, who's amazing. What we may do is over the next couple of weeks, we'll have a few of these and we'll pit the finalists off against one another. So each time somebody wins, they will become part of the finalist round. How does that sound? Good? Oh, and Miss Voigt just joined us. I'm so happy. Miss Voigt was one of the judges. She was a great assistant to me, as was Mr. Wolford. They did a great job yesterday helping me figure things out. So let's get started. I wanted to introduce our teams and our contestants. Here we go. The Yoon family. They had healthy sandwiches, and they were in grade 4. So we have Morgan and Madison. Morgan had the bunny ear sandwich, and Madison had the butterfly. You're going to notice that it has not 1, 2, but yet 3 layers of food on it. Really beautiful. You can see the original ingredients at the top. Pretty amazing. It looks as if it came out of Chef Gordon Ramsay's kitchen. Well done. The Sawicki family, they had 2 different open-egged sandwiches. And the open sandwiches, one had salmon on it and one did not. I think the photography in particular was beautiful, as well as the fact that they used fresh herbs in what they had created. You could see that the toast was really nicely browned. Excellent job, Sawicki family. Valentina Choi, she did an open egg sandwich with cheese and honey. And according to her, the flavors balanced really nicely. She provided a recipe there for you as well. And she has some nice healthy apples on the side. One of the things that I was most impressed with Valentina's sandwich was when she actually cut into the egg yolk. It was done perfectly. It was viscous, yet really still on the rare side, but it oozed out and it just looked beautiful on the plate. Sabrina in grade K. What I was very impressed with in Sabrina's case is it was her first ever 2-cheese grilled cheese sandwich. She used both yellow and white American cheeses, and she garnished her plate with some of her favorite fruits, which are strawberries and grapes. What a great smile on Sabrina. And Aiden Lee. Aiden Lee had a very interesting sandwich. He used a special cookie cutter press and garnished it with these beautiful tangerines and lettuce. It looks professionally done. Aiden, you did a great job photographing this. Ava's avocado toast. Ava's was probably the thing that I would eat the most if it was in front of me. I thought it looked really healthy, and I loved the way that she garnished it. I thought it was an excellent presentation, and even her ingredients right from the get-go was really well done. So I'm really excited to see how she did on the competition. Finer's Special. Now, I liked the Finer family's symbolism. They actually took each element of the plate and kind of related it back to Haworth. For the cucumbers, they were stars, and everyone should look to the stars for their dreams. They had hand-cut the stars from cucumbers. Red peppers represent the heroes with their big red hearts, especially recently. The strawberry banana smoothie represents how smooth it was to transition to distance learning. Very cool. Chocolate-covered strawberries and blue and yellow sprinkles. They are our school colors, and on the outside, we are all unique, but on the inside, we are all sweet and loving people. I thought that was a really nice sentiment. We also had the chocolate monsters. Now, they got around the whole caveat of a sandwich by making a dessert sandwich with brownies. Now, this looked the most delicious. As you can see, the 2 little ones are totally devouring them, having a good time with that. Robin's steak sandwich. This was Owen Rose that did this, and he did a really nice job. It looks ooey gooey and delicious. They used a real steak in order to do this. So pretty cool. And the winners are, you guys ready? Yeah, I see people shaking their heads. That's nice. Okay, yay. Okay, I see that. Very nice. Okay, good. Are we ready? Now, you guys are allowed to use the chat feature to congratulate each other. That's something that I'm going to encourage you to do, okay? Now, we're going to start with some of our special awards. So our special awards were those kids that kind of rose above in one element or more of their recipe. And the first winner is Robin Steak Sandwich. Best use of 2-week-old bread. All right, fantastic. Way to quarantine and stay out of the supermarket. Fantastic job. I think that is beautiful. It's ooey gooey and excellent, excellent job. So Wiki Family, they have the most photogenic plate as well as fresh herbs, most creative use of fresh herbs. Really beautiful. I think they did a great job. The Chocolate Monsters, most creative use of dessert in a sandwich. So fantastic. And it looks like they had the best time eating it, quite frankly. So my congratulations goes out to them. Ava's Avocado Toast. This, I thought, was the best plated example. So the way that she really used the fresh basil and the fruits to really make the green pop, it is one of the prettiest dishes we've seen. Excellent job, Ava. Fantastic. The Yoon family, healthy sandwich in grade 4. I thought that both of these had excellent presentation, and I love the use of the before and after photographs. Really nice. I also really like the fact that it was sibling against sibling rivalry at its finest. We will see if anybody prevailed, but very nice job. They got second place. Madison, yay! Madison, second place. She took second place overall with her sandwich, which was a butterfly 3-layer with chips. And I even love the fact that she used the newspaper to really make the sandwich pop. Really excellent job. Congratulations, Madison. Morgan, better luck next time. And for our number 1 place, are we ready? The number 1 place not only won one award, but also won another special honor award that I'm going to bring up in just a moment. Aiden Lee, take a look at this sandwich. It is absolutely beautiful, and I love the photography on this sandwich because you see the nooks and crannies on the outside edge, yet it gets blurry as it goes down. So the depth of field, which means how much a camera can look at one time, is really perfect because it's highlighting the sandwich, but it's also highlighting the colors of the background. So it's just beautiful. He takes first place. Additionally, this sandwich represents something else that's very special, which is we are about ready to go into Autism Awareness Month, and I love the use of puzzle pieces. So this is actually the most socially aware sandwich as well, because it not only shows masterful creation, but it also shows awareness about autism and the importance of being aware of different types of learners. I think you guys did an amazing job, and I can't wait until next week. I'm going to be posting a survey for you guys as to what the next food challenge will be. That will be going out later this afternoon. I'm going to open it up for anybody who wants to make comments now, and I'm going to stop presenting. So let's have a chat.
Good job, everyone. Congratulations. Have a great day.
Yeah.
Hi, okay, Aiden. Do you guys have any comments?
Good. Hi, Aiden. There.
Hi, guys.
Good. Sabrina, you did a great job.
I think they all did. They all looked so beautiful.
Right there. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations, Lauren Jackson. Another winner. Thanks.
Oh, I see Miss Chamberlain's on. Miss Chamberlain, did you have anything you wanted to tell the kids?
Oh, wait 1 second. Oh, hold on.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh, hello. Hi. I just want to say congratulations. Excellent job. So much fun to see everybody's creations.
Oh.
They did so well. Oh my goodness. Okay. So anyone else want to say anything? A word of congratulations? The Hung family. Hello, hello. Okay, turn on your microphone if you want to be seen.
Hi.
Hi, what did you think? What a beautiful job you guys did. My goodness, it was amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, that's it. I'm going to actually close out of the chat, but we'll be getting together soon. Next week, I'm going to be posting a new challenge for everyone, and I hope you guys all participate. It was a fantastic time. Thank you.